There's a light rail vehicle over there.
They're definitely getting a lot of it, so it must be going soon. 1 minute, 1 minute.
Then will we have time to watch it and go to Gateway?
Yep,
Yes. What's over there?
that's Gateway. So after the tram leaves, we'll cross over, have a look at Gateway, and then come back and collect everybody else so they can go for their trips.
This tram is not
So this
closing.
one, it says it's going to Kingsford. I don't really know where that is.
Oh, there's people coming. Never mind.
To rest.
This is already filmed it this morning.
Oh, look, the doors are closing.
Oh,
Ready to go.
it's
People are ignoring it. They're still crossing.
still waiting.
Still waiting for the people because there are people still crossing in front of it.
Oh.
That's the noise to say it's moving.
Did they?
And there's also, just step back for me because there's another one coming from this direction.
Did they just miss the tram? Those people?
No, they were just crossing
What number
over.
is that tram?
L2, Circular Quay.
We're just gonna wait for it to pass by. How long have I recorded trams for?
1 minute.
What color is this tram?
It's red.
After this, we're going to go to Gateway. Once this tram goes,
Yep.
which would be just going that way, and there it is, and that's it.